So welcome to the back workout of week 7. So it's already been 7 weeks since I started my cut. So it's been going good. So the final week, that is week 8, is going to be very tough. So back workout started with the incline bench assisted rope pullovers and performing 2 warm-up sets of 20 reps each, then straight to the walking sets of 12 to 15 reps, and my strength remaining the same on deadlifts. So it's a good sign that fat is cutting off while I am still having the same strength left. Then straight to supersetting with pull-ups to failure, 3 sets each. Maybe I have been not doing pull-ups for since 3 to 4 years. Then once pull-up is done, next to the conventional barbell bent over rowing, one of the best exercises to build that back. Squeezing the back at the top and all the way down, performing with slow and controlled reps. Next up is the single arm dumbbell rowing. So it's a very good unilateral exercise to get that wide lats and helps to attain that V taper and to get an illusion of a small waist. So it's a great exercise. So next exercise is the lat pull down, but with a slight change in the grip. You might be seeing that I am holding the bar very close and trying to squeeze the lats together. So in the back exercise is very much important to create that mind muscle connection, and it's also a hard thing because we cannot see that back we are working on. So that's been it from today's back workout of week 7. So great content coming in the near future on my channel. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and click that bell icon for the notification every time I drop a video. So the week 8 video will be coming soon. So thanks for watching.